Hello everyone. In this session we will discuss function parameters. Information that is passed to the function inside parenthesis is known as parameters. Parameters are specified after function name inside a parenthesis. For example, see in this case some function has been defined. Inside function definition, a and b, they are the formal parameters. During function call, see the instruction written after function definition. Sum within parenthesis 12, 10. So 12, 10, 12 and 10, they are the actual parameters. Function parameters are categorized to 5 different types. First one is positional arguments. Parameters are also known as arguments, so you can call it parameter or argument. Any name you can use. Second is keyword arguments. Third is variable length arguments. Fourth, keyworded variable length. And fifth one is default arguments. So one by one we will cover all different types of parameters or arguments. Let us create a function whose name is person. Okay, so for creating a function, first of all you need to define that function by using keyword def. सबसे पहले def keyword use करना है. After that put the name of function. So in this example we are using the function whose name is person. Okay, and then put colon. Inside this function block we will write the instructions. Okay, so let us initially create two parameters, name and age, and suppose this function is just displaying the name of the person and his or her age. Just write print name, and second instruction is print age. Okay, and finally this function will be called by using function call. So for that write function name, within parenthesis pass the parameters, or you can say actual arguments you need to pass here. Okay, so let us pass the name of the person is Ramesh and his age is 28. Okay, so when you run this code it will display you the name Ramesh and age 28. Okay, so run this code. Ramesh and 28. Okay, so these are the actual arguments, and the arguments which are present in function definition is your formal arguments. And there is another category of arguments. सबसे पहला पैरामीटर जो आपने पास किया है ड्यूरिंग फंक्शन कॉल, वही फंक्शन डेफिनेशन में फर्स्ट पैरामीटर होगा. ओके, मीन्स द नेम will be replaced with Ramesh, age will be replaced with 28. Okay, so it means according to the position these arguments will be taken. Means these arguments will be replaced with the arguments present in function definition on the basis of their position. Okay, now just make a little change, that now you want to increment the age of a person by 2. Okay, so instead of just directly printing age, write age plus 2. Okay, so when you run this code, so what it will display, it will give you Ramesh and age 30. Why 30? Because 28 is the original age, it is incremented by 2, so it will become 30. Okay, so these are the arguments which is known as, these are the positional arguments. Positional arguments. Okay, positional arguments or parameters. Let us make a little change, that instead of passing Ramesh at first place, you are passing it in the second position. Now you are passing 28 first, after that pass Ramesh. So what will happen, since these are the positional arguments, so name, the value of name will be 28, okay, and the value of age will be Ramesh. So when you go through this first instruction, print name, so it will print 28, okay. After that, when you move on to the second instruction, age plus 2, so age is, since age is Ramesh, so it will add 2 to the Ramesh, but in string, integer number can't be added to string. That's why this instruction will give you the error. This instruction will be executed. This instruction will return you the output 28, okay. But here, since it is not possible to add to the string Ramesh, that's why it will give error. So at this point, error will be displayed. Run this code, see the output, 28 is displaying because print name is written, so it will print 28. But in the second line, due to the string and integer concatenation, type error has been generated, okay. This is the type error that can only concatenate string, not integer value to the string. That's why this type error has been encountered. This is the problem with positional arguments, okay. So what is the option now? If you face error while using positional arguments, the solution to this problem is to use keyworded arguments. For this, let us take the same function definition. So function definition is same, only in function call there will be a change. Pass 28 in first position, but specify a keyword that it is a age. This age is a keyword, means while passing the arguments you are adding some keywords to specify that this is a age, this is a name, okay. And in second place you are passing the name, so put keyword that it is a name, okay. So name, which is the first parameter in function definition, this will not be replaced with 28, its value will be Ramesh, okay. अब जो है name की value जो है 28 नहीं होगी, रमेश ही होगी. In the first case, what was the name value of name? Name की value first case में positional arguments के case में 28 थी, क्योंकि position के corresponding arguments लेंगे function definition में, ठीक है. लेकिन इस केस में नेम की वैल्यू जो है 28 नहीं है, जो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर है, उसकी क्या वैल्यू है? रमेश, क्योंकि आपने कीवर्ड एक अटैच किया हुआ है, दैट इज अ नेम. तो नेम, एंड दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ कीवर्डेड आर्गुमेंट्स. Keyworded arguments, okay. So when you run this code, it will not give you any error. So let us first make these comments, okay. Let us make these comments so that only this second part of instructions will be executed. Run your code, and now see, there is no error, it is displaying properly Ramesh and 30. Suppose the function definition is same, but while calling the function you forgot to pass one parameter, okay. Just you are passing single parameter 20 Ramesh. While calling the function you are just passing the name, you are not passing the age. So what will happen in that case if you run this code? So first of all, let us make these comments, okay. Now only these instructions will be executed. Run your code. Now what will happen?
this will give you the type error, because there is a requirement of 2 arguments in function person. Since you are passing only one, that's why it is giving the error that missing one argument. Okay, so that's why the type error has been generated person function missing one argument. It required positional argument age. Okay, now what is the solution for this? Either pass another parameter age, or you can also set the age to default value. Now in 25, so in this, for this particular example, 25 is the default value which is set for age parameter. ठीक है, 25 एक डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू है जो एज पैरामीटर को असाइन की है. सो this is the example of default argument. Okay, so in this case, if you forget to pass age, so it will by default take age as 25 and 25 plus 2, so it will display 27 as a result. Now run your code again and see, and his age is 27. Okay, so in this way you can also give default argument to the function definition. Up to now we have completed positional arguments, keyworded arguments and default arguments. After that, and now we are left with 2 more arguments. अब हमारे पास 2 arguments और हैं जिनको हमें study करना है. First one is variable length argument and then keyworded variable length arguments. So again take the same function definition. Function is same. Okay, so take the same function. Now we are calling the function person, and take the positional arguments. Okay, we are passing the name as Ramesh, whose age is 30, of the person Delhi, city of the person Ramesh, which is Delhi, or her mobile number 90321455. Okay, we are also passing the mobile number as a parameter. Since in function definition only 2 parameters are allowed, name and age, so this will give you the error. Now what is the solution for this? If you want to display name, age, city and contact number of the person, so in this case the first option is make the changes in the function definition. ठीक है, एक ऑप्शन तो ये है कि आप फंक्शन डेफिनेशन को चेंज करिए जिसमें वो नेम, एज, सिटी और मोबाइल नंबर. इन ऑप्शन इज 4 पैरामीटर्स को वो लेगा और उनको डिस्प्ले कराएगा 1 by 1. ओके, सो वन ऑप्शन इज दिस वन. ओके,
another option is use
that you can
variable
variable
length
length argument. Okay, इसकी जगह आप वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्गुमेंट भी पास कर सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्गुमेंट? variable length argument. So instead of passing age, city, mobile number separately, you can also just write variable length argument, which is a data, and put star before it. Now this star data is a variable length argument. What is the meaning of variable length argument? Means it can take more than 1 arguments. ठीक है, वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्गुमेंट का मीनिंग ये है कि ये एक से ज़्यादा आर्गुमेंट्स को ले सकता है. तो फर्स्ट जो है वो जो भी आप पास करेंगे, पोजिशनल आर्गुमेंट अगर पास किया है, सो फर्स्ट जो होगा वो नेम होगा. ठीक है, स्टार डाटा मीन्स अब इसके बाद आपने एक दिया हो 30, या फिर हो सकता है आप 30 दिल्ली, बस ये 2 पैरामीटर पास कर रहे हैं, या फिर हो सकता है आपने इस केस में जैसे 3 पास किए हैं, आपने 3 पैरामीटर्स पास किए, 30 दिल्ली एंड उसका कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर. ठीक है, तो ये तीनों पैरामीटर पास किए हैं। तो आप कितने भी पैरामीटर्स को पास करेंगे इट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड विद, वो सारे पैरामीटर्स कहाँ जाएंगे, स्टार डाटा में। डाटा की जो वैल्यू होगी, मीन्स जो डाटा आपका पैरामीटर है वो इन तीनों को डिस्प्ले कराएगा। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एज प्लस 2 just display data, so it will display 30 Delhi and his contact detail, okay, उसके contact detail को display करेगा। so name is the positional argument, वो तो positional argument है कि फर्स्ट में आपने रमेश पास किया है, वो रमेश की जगह सो नेम की वैल्यू क्या होगी, रमेश, ठीक है। आफ्टर दैट आपके पास जो 30 डेली और कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स हैं वो सारी की सारी किसकी वैल्यू है, डेटा की वैल्यू है। तो डेटा को जब आप डिस्प्ले करेंगे तो उसमें 30 डेली एंड कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स आएंगी उस पर्सन की, ठीक है। सो वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट मीन्स विच कैन टेक more than one argument and name, this is the fixed positional, this is the fixed argument ना, इसमें कोई वेरिएबल लेंथ आर्ग्यूमेंट, ये वेरिएबल लेंथ नहीं आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं है, ये फिक्स्ड है कि इसकी एक ही वैल्यू होगी, ठीक है। तो आपने अगर पोजिशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट पास किया तो जो फर्स्ट पोजिशन पे आपने जो भी वैल्यू पास किया है दैट विल बी द नेम, ओके। सो इन दिस वे you can use variable length arguments. So suppose second time you are calling the function, okay, and in this second case, you only want to display Ramesh and age 30, so you can do this, okay। ये फंक्शन कॉल भी ठीक है और सेकेंड फंक्शन कॉल भी ठीक है, दोनों में ही ये वर्क करेगा, ठीक है। सो व्हेन यू रन दिस कोड, okay, before running the code let us make these comments because we don't want to execute these instructions. Now only these instructions will be executed, def, print, person and person function calls. Run your code and see, in the first case it is displaying Ramesh and 30 Delhi and contact details. In the second case it is displaying Ramesh and 30, okay, name and age. And similarly you can also display name, age and just city, okay। City, name, age and city in the third case. So this is all about your variable length arguments. After that, last one which we have to cover is keyworded variable length arguments. This is just the similar, this is just the same as variable length arguments with a little bit change. This is known as keyworded variable length argument. For this you need to pass double star. Double star means this is a keyworded variable length argument. And now I am going to pass same parameters in function call. So I will just copy paste the instruction, okay। Now see, in this case the first place name is needed, so just pass name, okay। In the second case double star data means this is a keyworded variable length argument na? So it allow you to pass keywords, okay। जैसे आपने कीवर्डेड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में कीवर्ड के साथ में डाटा को पास किया था, उसी तरीके से आप जैसे 30 वैल्यू है उसके आगे आप पास कर सकते हैं दैट इट इज अ एज, ठीक है। आपने ये दे दिया कि एज जो है 30 है, दिल्ली जो है वो सिटी है, एंड देन उसके जो कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स हैं, मोबाइल नंबर हो गया, ओके, वो कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स आपने दे दी, ठीक है। Let us make these comments. Run your code, and now it is displaying name Ramesh and keyworded arguments, age 30, city is Delhi, and contact details are mobile number. Mobile number is 9032145650. Okay, so just like positional arguments, keyworded arguments, you can have variable length positional arguments and keyworded variable length arguments. Okay, and if you set a default value to any of the argument in function definition, then that is known as a default argument. Okay, so this is all about your different types of arguments. So this is all about your different types of function arguments or parameters. Function parameters, function arguments.